Welcome back to the Center on Technology and Disabilities new series on supporting local education agency and state education agencies' use of research findings to support students with disabilities. This is video 3, Where to Find Articles and Other Disseminations of High-Quality Research. The first two videos of this series focused on the leadership roles LEAs and SEAs can and should play in terms of research in the domain of technology for students with disabilities. If your LEA or SEA has made the decision to undertake your own research studies, there's key information you need to know. First, the pathway to conducting and finding high-quality research in the field of special education begins in the library. It logically follows, then, that reading is fundamental to success, whether you are conducting or consuming research. Reading peer-reviewed journal articles from top journals in your field is a terrific place to begin. These articles provide you with critical information, not only about interventions being used, but you can also extrapolate a blueprint for how researchers conduct their work and disseminate it to the field. Some top journals in the field of multimedia and disability include the Journal of Special Education Technology, the Journal of Research on Technology and Education, Computers in Education, Educational Technology Research and Development. Other journals in the field of special education often include articles that explicitly deal with multimedia. You just have to do some digging. There are numerous databases you can search to find journal articles that might not specifically appear in one of the journals you usually read. However, if you don't have access to a university library and are locked out of accessing journals online, you can usually access journal archives by becoming a member of the professional organization that owns the journal. There are also sites like ResearchGate, where researchers share their work, sometimes including a full PDF of articles. If the full-text version is not uploaded, you can request it from the author, and many researchers will send you a copy. Whether or not you have access to a university library, articles you can't find otherwise might be accessible here. Another great place to find information about evidence-based practices is powerupwhatworks.com. And, if you're watching this video, the Center on Technology and Disability also maintains a library where you can find research articles and summaries of research on assistive and instructional technology for students with disabilities. Another site full of free resources that can support implementation of evidence-based practices is the IRIS Center. In addition to research articles, high-quality information is often available through blogs, newsletters, and other reports of data. Just make sure you use a critical eye when reading and evaluating data from sources that have not been thoroughly peer-reviewed. In summary, to get ready for conducting a research study, or to better understand the research approaches your LEA or SEA may be being recruited for, it's critical that you and your colleagues are up to date on the latest literature. If you don't have access to a university library, it can be difficult to access journal articles. However, the internet has made that process a lot easier. Finally, remember high-quality information about technology and students with disabilities can come from anywhere, but you should always be critical and thoughtful about the source, possible conflicts of interest, and overall quality. Thanks for watching, and please continue using videos from this series.